Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to the JB Arts YouTube channel. Today we're doing birdhouses. Now this is a custom design, something that I made about 15 years ago. It's a slot fit design, so there isn't any glue or nails needed. These are kits that can be purchased at the store. You can buy them with paint or without paint, just as they are. You can buy it assembled or not assembled. This video is going to show you step by step how to assemble it if you choose to go the puzzle route. When the birdhouse is all assembled, I recommend you use acrylic paint. The acrylic paint will act as a glue and help hold your birdhouse together. You should have 4 pieces the same size, 6 inches by 6 inches, just with different slots cut in them. And then you should have 2 front and back pieces, as well as 1 smaller piece for the roof. The very first piece will be the floor, and that has a slot at the bottom facing one direction and another slot at the top facing the other direction. Your wall piece will have the same slot and then 2 slots pointing upward. You'll see how it just slides in gently together. Now you have to be really gentle with these pieces or you could break the tabs. There you go, fits together nicely. Now the second wall. If you put all of the pieces in straight, not on an angle, they should just slide in nicely with perhaps a little wiggle. The next 2 pieces are going to be the taller walls that come to a point. You'll notice that the 2 taller walls have also 2 slots in them. This is for the 2 roof pieces. I've snuck in a special shout out to Winter. I hear you like my videos. Thanks for watching. Here I go. I pick up the second piece, and at the moment, they don't match. You see at the side of the house, the slots are on the opposite side. It means I need to flip the piece over. If you like one surface better than the other one, you can flip the other wall, and then it would give you the surface you want. Notice how easily that slots in, and now the birdhouse is nice and stable and strong. Next you'll find the smaller piece. See that? The smaller piece slots in first, and that comes in from the bottom. Now this piece usually doesn't go all the way to the top. You'll see what I mean in a moment, and I have a good explanation for that. These tabs we have to be extra gentle with. These are the ones that are the hardest part to assemble to keep straight. You'll notice here that it doesn't slide all the way to the top, and that's because the larger top piece is going to overhang a little bit. It's also going to create a slight air gap for the birds. Again, we have to be really gentle at this point. It should just slide in nicely. I'll show you again on the roof piece how important it is to try and slide it in parallel to the birdhouse. If it's off just a little bit, it will bind and you could break the tabs off. Again, you really need to be gentle for that last piece. Now, we just have the dowel to put in. Yay! Our birdhouse is finished, ready to paint. Have fun! I can't wait to see pictures of it, folks. Please like, share, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.